Welcome to American River RV, and here's another look at one of our great RVs. This beautiful motorhome comes equipped with double slides, sink covers, bedroom television, toilet area with cabinets, sink, vanity, and medicine cabinet. Here at American River RV, we take pride in our professionally trained, no-pressure sales staff who understand that buying an RV takes time. We're a family-owned business, and we are committed to making every customer happy. In order to build such good relationships with our customers, we work hard to offer only the cleanest, highest quality RVs at the best price possible. So come visit us today. American River RV is conveniently located in the areas of Sacramento, Davis, Elk Grove, Roseville, and Vacaville.